Hello, welcome to AETHERLAB after the first week, so I guess you can call it week 1 or week 2. I just shared a video of my device, this kind of resonant chamber made to be used while sleeping. That was fun, yeah. So here's something else I'm working on. It's definitely not as significant, it's really just kind of a fun little arrangement, but I thought you'd get a kick out of it. So check it out, it's right here, right next to me. So it's, I guess, a stacking of 2 copper plates. I was very lucky to find these while thrifting. Just so you know something about me, I love copper. I think copper and brass are both very interesting metals energetically. They can take a lot of programming. They have a very warm, resonant, kind of cheerful energy, kind of like a little furnace. So when I found these beautiful copper plates, I was very excited, and I showed this off in my intro video, which I made just a few days ago, but I finally made a little grid for it, just a few little odds and ends that I picked up, you know, a couple little owls, some 3D printed items, a little bunch of crystal there to serve as just a basic, you know, multi-purpose programming cluster, you could say. Well, let's take a closer look. I'm going to take the top off for you guys because that's just how much I care. So let's take this top off, huh? So first off, I'll take off the little crown. When you see what this is balancing on, you're going to be amazed this is even standing like this. So let me show you. So I'm going to take this off. And I wasn't sure for a while if this was pure copper or not. I do see that it has... Can you see that? Where's my finger? Come on. Ah, there we go. So there's that green kind of oxidation, which kind of sealed the deal for me. I'm pretty sure it's solid copper. And the bottom plate definitely is. So, nice and heavy too. So, you know, just a little plate I thrifted, pretty cheap. So here's what we're looking at for this little arrangement though. You see how you have this kind of brass candlestick in the middle? I thought it was a perfect little, kind of like a satellite dish. I loved its design. I love the kind of hollow resonant chamber in the middle. Super cool. And it's hollow all the way through. It's like a little tunnel right up until the very top. So it's a perfect kind of fulcrum for all that. And then also on this plate, you see these little tiny brass cups. Let me grab one. These are awesome. Let me try to get this on the camera. So it's just a little tiny brass cup, but it's quite thick. And it's pretty heavy, honestly. So these are great little resonant chambers. And I have them all around on this plate. You see there's a couple of them. Put you back where I found you. And yeah, that's really it. So what is the goal of this device? And why do I have 2 plates stacked on each other? Well, the bottom plate, of course, also being copper. If it has another copper thing to kind of bounce energy off of, and let me try and put this back. 1 second. This is... I'm kind of amazed it balanced in the first place. It's just kind of chilling on this little needle. I don't know if I can get it straight super quick. I'm just going to leave it like this for a second. So yeah, kind of it's like a little capacitor. It's a little battery. So you have a bunch of energy kind of being pushed up off of the copper, and it's rising up, but it's not going anywhere. It's just hitting more of the same. So it makes this kind of resonant field, this capacitor, this battery, full of this kind of warm, vibrant energy. It's very, very human, very warm and kind of, I don't want to say compassionate, but it's just endearing and comforting and warm. So I'm thinking this could be useful for maybe some healing purposes, maybe some growing or growth purposes. I'm not quite sure yet. I just kind of put things on that felt right. This is, of course, going to change over the next few days, but I thought I'd show it to you while it's in this stage. And now it's in a new lopsided stage, but that's fine. I'll fix it later. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. Don't really know what to call it yet, but maybe just the copper battery, or ooh, the copper capacitor. That's perfect. I love alliteration. Where are you? I have to get better at using this camera phone. I really have no clue. Okay, so yeah, just a little sneak peek. Hope you liked it.